Rob from PPFXE here with Marvel Collector Corp's second ever highly anticipated Ant-Man themed box. This subscription is a bit different than the rest, mainly because the people behind it are actually Marvel and Funko, so if you're a fan of both, this is definitely your subscription box. Each bi-monthly box will have only premium exclusive to Marvel collectible items inside, along with a Marvel themed t-shirt and comic. If you purchase a Founders subscription, each year you will also receive an additional exclusive 6-inch statue. I'll leave everything you need to know about this subscription service in the description below, and as always I'll be including a quick breakdown at the end of this video for those curious about the cost and value for what we're about to discover in this month's box. Marvel Collector Corp has been quite quiet this time around about exactly what Ant-Man collectibles will be in the box, so let's find out what's inside this month's Ant-Man themed box. In the Avengers box, we received a Collector Corp's patch and pin. It looks like we received another theme-based patch and pin with this Ant-Man box as well. I'm assuming that this will be the norm moving forward, with each box receiving its own theme-based patch and pin. Well, here's the main pop in this month's box, and as you can clearly see, it would seem my unmasked Ant-Man's box has been the victim of poor packing. I noticed the damage right away when I removed the bag shirt that was packed right underneath this pop. The damage you see here appears to have been caused by the edge of the bag shirt pushing into the pop's box. Unfortunately, it also caused the mini Ant-Man bobblehead to be released from the inner package, and as you can see here, has been having a lot of fun marking up the unmasked Ant-Man's chin right across the bottom. All I have to say is, what a shame. On a more interesting note, this actual size Ant-Man bobblehead is to date the smallest bobblehead Funko has ever produced. Minor damage aside, you have to admit these two pops do make a nice pair. It looks like this time round, Marvel Collector Corp has sent us 2 exclusive Mystery Mini bobblehead figures. There are actually 4 figures in the set. Again, for the second box, Marvel Collector Corps has sent out their comic unprotected. They did announce recently that in the August box, they would begin to package the comic correctly with a proper backer board and sleeve. Well, it's a real shame on how my unmasked Ant-Man arrived. This is actually the second box now that has arrived with damage to the main collectible. Last month's Hulkbuster arrived with some kind of sandy dust all over it. I was able to clean up the pop, but discovered a few weeks later that the bottom of the pop's boots were scratched, most likely by the same sandy dust. I do have a ticket open with Marvel Collector Corps service desk, and will let you all know how it went in August's video. So with all that being said, I would have given this box a solid mark if it was not for the damage caused, in my opinion, by poor package packing. I suppose stuff happens. In the end, how they fix the issue will be the true test for this young subscription box company. I really do think this subscription company's offering is onto something once they resolve their quality control issues with the main collectibles. Well, I hope you found this month's review useful, and as promised, here's a breakdown of what we found in the box. The prices displayed are estimates based on what we were able to find online the day of this review. As always, a quick shout out of thanks to everyone that has subscribed, commented, or given us a thumbs up for any of our videos. I really enjoy the interaction and look forward to reading what you thought about this month's box in the comments below. Check out the information annotation on the top right of your screen for more of our videos and reviews. Until next time, happy collecting everyone from PPFXC.